Here's what the hardcore gun community refuses to admit. Putting a 15-round, stiff-spring pistol in the hands of someone with arthritis is a complete disaster waiting to happen. The industry loves to push high-capacity plastic pistols on everyone, but they completely ignore the physical reality of getting older. When you lose that raw wrist power or your finger joints get stiff, clearing a jammed semi-auto is nearly impossible. You end up with an expensive paperweight right when you need protection the most. But there is a cheat code to this problem. We are going to break down 3 specific individual revolvers that skip all the nonsense. Let's get into the absolute best models that give you 0 headaches and total peace of mind. Number 3. Ruger LCR 38 Special plus P. This lightweight polymer frame beauty is a massive game changer for anyone wanting a simple, reliable everyday carry. Coming in at just about 13.5 ounces, depending on the exact model, it is incredibly light and easy to carry all day without feeling weighed down. The polymer frame on this model is a high-tech material that reduces the overall weight while maintaining extreme durability, meaning you do not have a heavy block of steel dragging your pants down when you go to the grocery store. One of the most important things to notice about this design is that it is hammerless, which makes it totally snag-free for pocket carry or a quick draw. You never have to worry about a hammer getting caught on the lining of your pocket or your jacket when you need to pull it out fast. But the real magic of this tool is the trigger itself. It features a smooth, manageable double-action trigger that is incredibly forgiving on aging hands. A lot of small revolvers have heavy, gritty trigger pulls that force your whole hand to shake just to get a shot off. This one uses a special internal cam system that makes the trigger pull feel much lighter and smoother than it actually is. You can pull it smoothly all the way to the back without straining your finger joints. When you fire a light gun, you usually feel a lot of kick in your hands, but this one comes from the factory with a specialized rubber grip designed to fix that problem. The Hogue grip absorbs recoil well, and the compact size makes it easy to hold and point without feeling any fatigue. It fills your hand nicely, putting a soft layer of rubber right where the frame hits the web of your hand. It is praised in senior-specific reviews for being totally intuitive, meaning there are no complex controls, you just load and shoot. Getting back to the details, let's talk about the upkeep for this piece. When we say it never jams and needs 0 maintenance, we absolutely mean it. Ruger's reputation for rugged simplicity shines here. The inside of this gun is sealed up tight, keeping dust, pocket lint, and dirt away from the important internal parts. It has no slide or complex feeding mechanism to fail, even with dirty or varied ammo. You can feed it premium self-defense rounds or cheap paper-punching target ammo, and it will not care at all. It will just keep spinning and firing. In fact, owners report shooting thousands of rounds with 0 issues, and cleaning is literally a 5-minute cylinder and barrel wipe. You do not need to be a mechanic to keep it running smoothly year after year. This model is best for everyday carry or home defense, and you can usually find it sitting at a street price of around $500 to $650. It is a smart investment in absolute reliability. Number 2. Smith Wesson Model 642 Airweight 38 Special plus P. When you look at this little piece of hardware, you are looking at decades of proven history wrapped in a tiny modern package. This iconic J-frame snubnose is ultra-light, weighing under 15 ounces, yet it feels perfectly balanced and controllable in your hand. The Airweight name means the frame is made from an aluminum alloy, giving you the strength of solid metal without the heavy burden of carrying a solid block of steel everywhere you go. The finish on this model is also designed to resist the sweat and moisture that naturally occurs when you carry something close to your body all day. Just like the first option on our list, the enclosed hammer prevents any annoying snags, and the double-action trigger is completely straightforward. The enclosed hammer also means dirt and debris cannot easily get down into the inner workings of the gun. If you ever have to fire it from inside a jacket pocket in an extreme emergency, there is no hammer to get wrapped up in the fabric. It will fire every single time without catching. Many seniors and instructors highly recommend it or its black-colored twin, the 442. Because it is simple to operate one-handed if needed, and it has a cushioned grip option for even more comfort. Let's face it, if you are ever in a situation where you need to protect yourself, you might not be able to use both hands. You might be holding a door shut, holding a phone to call for help, or leaning on a cane. The ability to pull this out and operate it fully with one hand without needing a second hand to rack a slide is a massive advantage that cannot be ignored. When it comes to reliability, this design is basically legendary in the self-defense world. Like all quality revolvers, it has proven bulletproof reliability in tests and real-world use, meaning you will experience no stovepipes, no failures to eject, and 0 feeding problems. You just point, pull the trigger, and it goes bang. Smith & Wesson's design requires minimal attention, just a of basic cleaning keeps it running forever. You do not need expensive oils or a giant toolkit to keep it happy. It is a favorite in senior-focused videos for exactly this reason. It takes all the guesswork and stress out of self-defense. This tool is absolutely best for pocket carry or nightstand use, and you will typically see a street price sitting right between $450 and $600. If you are finding this breakdown helpful and want to learn more about keeping yourself safe with the best tools on the market, make sure to hit that subscribe button to Guns You Can't Live Without right now. Number 1. Smith & Wesson Model 686 Plus 357 Magnum 38 Special. Moving up in physical size, this particular option is an absolute powerhouse that offers a completely different shooting experience. This slightly larger L-frame design gives a full, comfortable grip that is much easier on hands with less strength, plus it offers far better recoil control. While tiny guns are great for carrying quietly in your pocket, larger guns are significantly easier to shoot accurately. More weight simply means less kick. When you fire this, the heavy metal frame absorbs almost all the shock before it ever reaches your wrist or your elbow. Another huge benefit of this slightly larger size is the capacity it offers. It holds 7 rounds and can shoot mild 38 special loads, or you can run hotter 357 if desired, though most seniors stick to 38 for comfort. Having 7 shots instead of the usual 5 or 6 gives you a little extra peace of mind when things go bump in the night. Because it is heavier, it actually makes a fantastic training tool for beginners or spouses who might be slightly intimidated by loud noises and heavy recoil. Shooting 38 special out of a heavy frame feels incredibly soft, making it a true joy to practice with at the range. The smooth action and adjustable sights make it incredibly forgiving and highly accurate. You can fine-tune those sights to hit exactly where you are looking, which is great if your vision is not quite what it used to be. It is frequently highlighted in senior revolver roundups as a true forever gun because of its amazing balance of power and shootability. This is not a delicate piece of machinery that needs to be babied. It is built like a tank with solid stainless steel construction, making it virtually indestructible and completely immune to the malfunctions that constantly plague semi-autos. Stainless steel resists rust and corrosion wonderfully, keeping it looking great for years. Maintenance is basically negligible, and occasional cleaning and lubrication is all it needs to stay reliable for decades. You could pass this down to your grandkids, and it would still work perfectly out of the box. It is best for home defense or range practice where a bit more size really helps you keep control, and you can generally find it for a street price of about $800 to $1,000. Now that we have covered the 3 best tools on the market, we need to talk about how to get the most out of them. A gun is only as good as the person holding it and the ammo inside. The key tips for any of these options are simple but critical for your safety. First, you want to use 38 special target or defensive loads, and stay away from full 357 Magnum unless you specifically want more recoil. Magnum rounds have a huge blast, a loud boom, and a sharp kick that can easily hurt your hands and cause you to flinch. Stick to the mild stuff, it is more than enough for reliable protection. Next, make sure you practice with a qualified instructor, because even though revolvers are simple, safe handling is absolutely essential. A good instructor can show you exactly how to grip it properly, how to stand securely, and how to manage the trigger pull smoothly without pulling the gun off target. Always remember to check your local laws, store your tools securely to keep them out of the wrong hands, and consider your specific physical needs, like your vision or your grip strength, when making your final choice. These 3 options are consistently recommended across major sources like Pew Pew Tactical, Guns Magazine, and senior-focused firearm discussions for their incredible set-it-and-forget-it reliability. You really can't go wrong with any of them, but everybody is completely different and every hand is built differently, so if it is at all possible, rent and try them at a local range to confirm the fit before you spend your hard-earned money. Feeling how it sits in your own palm and feeling the trigger pull yourself is the absolute best way to know if it is the right match for you. To find out what other firearms you absolutely need in your safe, hit subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without today.